have always wanted to teach everybody out there about saxophone and how to play saxophone correctly, and I figured there's no better way to start than with a intro into how to set up your saxophone and how to learn your first notes. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing you're going to see when you open your saxophone is just this with all of your pieces of the saxophone laid out. First thing you're going to want to do is pull this up and take your cap out of the end of the saxophone. And some caps may have swabs attached, and I don't know which model of saxophone you have or whatever. And then you're going to want to take your neck and put some cork grease on the end right here so it will slide into your saxophone real nice, just like this. And then you're going to want to tighten this screw up right here. And then next you're going to want to take your mouthpiece and ligature and attach your reed. First, what you're going to want to do is you guys are going to want to put your reed in your mouth like so. Leave it in there for like a minute to 2 minutes. 2 minutes is a bit excessive, but it'll work. And then you're going to want to line up the end of your reed just slightly under the top of your mouthpiece. Then you're going to put the ligature on so that it comes right to about a centimeter away from the bottom of your reed. And then you're going to just tighten the ligature like so. Next, you're going to take your cork grease once again and put it on the cork here. You're going to slide your mouthpiece over the end of your saxophone, and then you clip your neck strap to this little loop in the back. Now that you have your saxophone set up, we need to know how to hold it. So first you're going to notice how there is keys right here. You're going to see how there's 5 keys. We'll call them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, with the very top key being 1 and the very bottom key being 5. You are going to put your pointer finger on key 2, your middle finger on key 4, and your ring finger on key 5. Your thumb is going to go on this black pad that is slightly below this almost crescent moon-shaped key called the register key. And then you're going to take your other hand and put your thumb under this loop or this little hook here, or I don't know what you have on your saxophone, but you'll notice how it bulges out and your thumb goes right in that. And then down here, there's only 3 keys. We'll call them 1, 2, and 3 again. Your pointer finger goes on 1, middle finger goes on 2, and ring finger goes on 3. Okay, now let's learn how to play some notes. Notes are very important when it comes to playing saxophone because it wouldn't quite be music without various sounds and rhythms and etc. But so now that we are holding it correctly, we're going to take our pointer finger on our left hand and we're going to press that key, just that key. And this is called B. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold your bottom lip over your top teeth, just like this. And then you're going to rest just that lip on this reed, but not to the point that you stop the reed from vibrating. You're also going to rest your teeth on the top of the mouthpiece. Once you do that, you blow gently through the horn and it should play B with enough practice. So, give it a try. Okay, so pause the video here and rewatch it if my explanation was kind of crappy. But so just figure out how to play B.
Yeah, I'm aware that's what you came for, but I'm tired. Try and figure it out on your own.
Okay, so now we're going to learn A. We're going to use the same techniques we learned in the previous parts of the video for A. First, we're going to curl our lip, rest our teeth on the top, and then rest your lip on the bottom. Then you're going to press your B key, or your pointer finger, as well as your A key, or your middle finger, both on the left hand. You're going to press those and do the same thing you did with B to learn A. So this is what A should sound like. That's A. Okay, pause the video here and rewatch if you need to. And figure out A. Okay, so now for our third and final note we're going to learn is G. So G is just all of your 3 fingers on your left hand. So what we're going to do for G is the same thing we did for A and B. So we're just going to press all 3, use your same technique with your lip and your teeth. Rest your teeth on the top, and then curl your lips so your teeth aren't touching the reed, like so. And then once you figure that out, this is what G should sound like. Okay, now pause the video here and teach yourself G. Now we'll just recap. B is your first finger. A is first and second finger. And G is all 3 fingers on your left hand. Okay, and if you're still here at this point in the video, I'd just like to thank you for sticking around to the end, and I hope you learned something today. I hope the quality of my videos get better as time goes on, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Come back some other time for more saxophone tutorials just for you.